Sammy Flex. What can Sembia? Kofa vex. People vex. Kofu anakuma ba. That is the word for today. Before I get into the details, the word for today is makuma ba. Intasamo and etida makuma bebe or stories nima. Word for today. Now let's move to the camp of our radio personality Sammy Flex. Now he is saying that the entitlement of celebrities towards bloggers is ridiculous. Like, it's ridiculous. Now Sammy Flex shared his opinion on the love-hate relationship between bloggers and celebrities, especially musicians on Simply Showbiz. Now, according to him, these celebs behave loftily towards bloggers and still expect them to be given professional treatment. He described instances where the high and mighty have refused to help bloggers but expect these people to promote their work on their platforms. The entitlement from our celebrities is now becoming too much. You did not even post him for him to build his numbers. I know some of these bloggers, when they lose their account, sometimes they even beg these top guys, oh, post for me, I've lost my account, so my followers would know my new account. These top guys won't even post. You won't do it. You will go through the hustle night and day, build the numbers again, and you think you are a gig. He should share it. He should share it. It's not nice. So this is what Sammy Flex said on Simply Showbiz. Now, Sammy Flex is a showbiz analyst and also a radio personality. He recently quit his job at Oya Xylophone FM, and he's also employed musicians to treat bloggers with as much respect as they treat other components of their music making, distribution and promoting. The last time you wanted to record a song, you did not sit in your home for the producer to come to you. You saw the need to walk to the studio, negotiate with the producer how much he would charge you and all that. But when it comes to a blogger, you think that he wakes up, data has been given to him by any of these networks for free. I think that you have to know what you want to do. What is your PR team looking to sell about you? If they know that, they will look at the people who they think like the style of these bloggers and then meet the message and then go to them and discuss with him. Into Asama and Sammy Flex, and also so Ori Kanyen, Asama and Sammy Flex, Ori Kanyen there. Then there's the level of entitlement among celebrities, especially musicians. It's sickening, like it stinks. On the papa, I will especially this one. I'm taking it personal. Let me put this one down. Especially the upcoming musicians, up and coming. See, I was me from underground musicians. It's here for the upcoming musicians. Upcoming musicians now urban. Someone awa you find that if you kuma west or if you kuma east, ebia at Mrs. Kujo ho side ho and at Alaji Bawa ho side the area kakana wano kampuno. The people they don't even know that you do music. Mrs. Kujo ho na etino Lagos Star ho na etino wo area ho kakana kwesiminti mo no zongo ho fo nampo boys and girls no. When you put that in room. But when a blogger decides to write something about you, publish something about you, so give me your details. This one is on a personal level, that's why I've taken it personal. Give me your details, let me do something. For Bamentro baby found, let me post it so that in case now or be type within in Google search engine now, something will pop up somewhere because obi any baby and no for beba. These upcoming bloggers, up and coming musicians will look you in the face, look you in the eyes, will wear one vocal cavity to tell you that go and search them. Like if you don't know who they are, just say, "Aha, into ube blow." I know money. What did I know? Chrome hand. I know what did I chrome her. Day, make a damn blow, I make a day be my body and I'm in power. Somehow we choose. Nowadays, this is what you guys say. you choose your favorites. If someone is not your favorite, you don't help. Have you sat down to think about what the person did, or to find out what the person did in order for them to become favorite, so-called favorite? Because no one is no one's favorite.